Imagine holding a simple, worn-out penny in your hand, something most people wouldn't think twice about tossing in a tip jar or leaving at the bottom of a drawer. But what if I told you that penny could actually be worth thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, we're diving deep into the incredible world of rare 1-cent coins that made ordinary people unexpectedly rich. These are real coins with real value, and yes, some of them might even be hiding in your own pocket change right now. It all comes down to rarity, minting errors, historical significance, and collector demand. Pennies may be the smallest denomination in U.S. currency, but for coin collectors and lucky finders, a rare penny can become a once-in-a-lifetime payday. Let's start with one of the most iconic and valuable pennies ever minted, the 1943 copper penny. In 1943, the U.S. Mint produced most pennies in steel to conserve copper for use in World War II. However, by a freak accident, a few copper blanks were left in the presses, resulting in a handful of 1943 copper pennies making it into circulation. These coins are now considered holy grails by collectors. Fewer than 40 are known to exist, and one famously sold for over $100,000 at auction, while others in pristine condition have fetched up to $250,000 or more. One teenager discovered a 1943 copper penny in his lunch money change and kept it for years before realizing it was worth more than a college education. The next coin on our list is the famous 1909 SVDB penny, another collector's dream. When the Lincoln cent was first released in 1909 to honor Abraham Lincoln's 100th birthday, it was designed by Victor David Brenner, whose initials VDB were boldly placed on the reverse. This design sparked controversy and criticism for being too self-promotional, so the initials were quickly removed, making the coins with the initials and the San Francisco S Mint mark extremely rare. Only about 484,000 were minted before the change. Today, a 1909 SVDB penny in decent condition can fetch $1,000 to $5,000, while high-grade specimens have sold for well over $50,000. Imagine checking your grandparents' coin jar and stumbling across one of those. Now, let's talk about a penny with a literal printing mistake that turned into pure gold for collectors. 1955 double die penny. This coin features one of the most dramatic errors in U.S. coinage history. During the minting process, the die used to stamp the coin was misaligned, resulting in a strong doubling of the text on the front of the coin. The date, liberty, and the motto, "In God We Trust," all appear twice, side by side. It's a mistake you can spot with the naked eye, and collectors love it. Only about 20,000 to 24,000 of these pennies were distributed before the error was caught, but they were never recalled. That means some people spent them without ever knowing their value. Today, a 1955 doubled die penny in good condition sells for around $1,500 to $2,000, and high-grade versions have sold for over $15,000. One man reportedly found one while paying for coffee, only to later discover he was holding a 5-figure coin. Next, let's briefly talk about the 1983 doubled die reverse penny, a lesser-known but highly valuable coin. The doubling appears on the reverse of the coin, most noticeably in the inscriptions 1 cent and E pluribus unum, though not as famous as the 1955 variety. This modern-era coin can sell for $300 to $1,000, depending on condition. If you're wondering how to identify these coins, all it takes is a good magnifying glass, some patience, and knowledge of key dates and features. The truth is, most of these valuable coins went unnoticed for years, and many are still out there, sitting in drawers, jars, or coin rolls. Whether you're a casual collector or someone who just wants to check their spare change, the potential rewards are enormous. The best part, you don't need to be a numismatics expert to start. Just knowing a few key dates like 1943, 1909, and 1955 can make all the difference. In fact, the next rare penny could be sitting at the bottom of your car cuff holder or in a coin roll from the bank. These coins don't just carry historical value, they represent life-changing opportunities. So take a closer look before you spend that next penny. It could be the most valuable cent you've ever. These pennies have turned pocket change into 5- and 6-figure payouts, and they continue to be discovered in the most unexpected places. Let's kick things off with the 1944 steel penny, a strange cousin to the 1943 copper penny we mentioned earlier. While 1943 pennies were made of steel, the following year, 1944, the U.S. Mint returned to using copper. However, a few leftover steel blanks from the previous year were accidentally used, creating one of the rarest and most valuable error coins in existence. Experts estimate that fewer than 30% of these 1944 steel cents exist today. One of them, sold for over, and another one graded in near-perfect condition, went for a jaw-dropping $373,750 at auction. Just imagine finding that mixed in with your modern pennies. Now let's talk about the 1969 S double die obverse, another coin that grabs headlines in the collector community. This error features extreme doubling of the date and inscriptions on the front of the coin, and it's so dramatic that even beginners can spot it without magnification. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some early examples were thought to be counterfeits and were actually seized by the Secret Service, until the truth was confirmed by experts. Today, this coin is not only real, but extremely valuable. Fewer than 100 examples are believed to exist, and high-grade versions have sold for more than $35,000. With one even fetching. So yes, even relatively recent coins like this one can be worth a small fortune. But not all fortunes are made from century-old coins or headline-grabbing errors. Take the 1992 Close AM penny, for example. In this variation, the letters A and M in America on the reverse are almost touching, a detail that was supposed to be used only on proof coins that year. A small number made it onto regular business strike coins by mistake. What makes this one so exciting is that it looks almost exactly like an ordinary 1992 penny. You'd never notice it without a careful side-by-side comparison. But if you find one, you're in luck. Depending on condition, a 1992 Close AM penny can sell for $$2,000 to $20,000 or more ***, especially if graded by PCGS or NGC. This kind of coin is a perfect example of why taking just a few minutes to inspect your change can pay off big time. Now let's rewind to a much older penny, the 1914D Lincoln cent, which is one of the key dates for serious Lincoln cent collectors. Only 1.2 million of these coins were minted in Denver, and far fewer have survived in collectible condition. While that might sound like a lot compared to some of the extreme rarities we've discussed, demand for this coin is massive, and its scarcity in high grades has made it extremely valuable. A worn example might sell for $200 to $300, but a well-preserved 1914D penny can bring in $*$3,000 to $10,000 ***, with near-mint versions going for $20,000 plus. One of these coins was found in a dusty attic inside an old coin album, forgotten for decades, and it ended up paying for someone's college tuition. But one of the most heartwarming stories involves a 1958 double-die obverse penny, of which only 3 confirmed examples are known. Unlike the more common 1955 version, this one features doubling on Liberty and In God We Trust that is much subtler and harder to detect, but it's far rarer. One of these coins sold in a private sale for $336,000, and another, turned up at a flea market, bought unknowingly by a hobbyist for less than $5. Moments like these are why coin hunting is more than a hobby. It's a potential financial game changer, even if you don't get lucky with a 6-figure find. Lower-tier rare coins like the **** 1972 doubled die obverse or the 1984 doubled ear Lincoln cent *** can still fetch $100 to $500 or more, and they're common enough that many people have them without knowing. These coins feature easily visible doubling on Lincoln's features or inscriptions, and they've been found in everything from piggy banks to bankrolls. So what does all this mean for you? It means that every time you receive change, open an old jar of coins, or check your family's forgotten collection, you might be sitting on a small fortune. These coins are proof that sometimes, the most valuable treasures come in the smallest packages. The next time you find a penny, don't ignore it, flip it over, check the date, and see if anything looks off. You never know if you're holding history or a hidden fortune. In Part 3, we'll show you how to quickly identify high-value error coins, share some bonus tips for spotting fakes, and reveal some wild auction stories, including how one penny almost paid for an entire house. We're going to explore even more valuable pennies, show you how to quickly spot high-value coins, and share a few unforgettable stories, including one where a single penny helped pay off a mortgage. First, let's look at the **** 1970s small date Lincoln cent ***, a modern coin that's easy to miss but worth hundreds, sometimes thousands, depending on condition. The clue lies in the shape and spacing of the numbers in the date. In the small date variety, the 7 sits level with the other digits, and the curve of the 9 is delicate and narrow. It's a subtle detail, but coin collectors are willing to pay $$500 to $3,000 for one in great condition. A man in Texas actually found one of these in a $25 penny roll from the bank. He turned his small investment into a small fortune, all thanks to a little patience and a sharp eye. Speaking of misprints, let's talk about off-center strikes, a category of mint error that can dramatically increase a coin's value. When a coin isn't aligned properly in the press, it's struck off-center, leaving part of the design missing or misaligned. A 1-cent coin that's 50% off-center with a visible date can sell for $100 to $500, and even more if it's dramatic and still uncirculated. One YouTuber shared how they found a visibly off-center penny in a parking lot and later sold it for $220. Proof that these things aren't just sitting in vaults or museum collections. They're out there in the wild. Now, let's discuss another big one, the 1995 doubled die Lincoln cent. This coin is much easier to identify than some others. The doubling is most obvious in the word liberty, and the motto, "In God We Trust." Many collectors consider this coin the last major doubled die in the Lincoln cent series before minting technology drastically improved. While this coin isn't as rare as others we've discussed, it still commands $50 to $300 depending on grade, and higher-end specimens can hit over $1,000. A teenage collector found one in his lunch money and later sold it online to fund his first car talk about a smart trade. With all these amazing coins out there, how do you check your pennies quickly and effectively? First, get a **10x magnifying loupe ***, which will help you spot small errors in date details. Then, learn the key dates and features to watch for, like doubling, misalignment, or unusual spacing. Downloading a penny error checklist or guidebook is a great idea if you're serious. Another trick is to search coin rolls from banks, where older or error coins are often hiding in plain sight. Many collectors have made small fortunes by simply buying $25 boxes of pennies and searching through them at home, an easy, low-cost way to get started. And here's one more jaw-dropping story to inspire you. A retired teacher in Pennsylvania was helping his grandson start a coin collection when they stumbled upon a dirty, reddish penny dated 1943, but it wasn't steel. They sent it off for grading, and sure enough, it was a genuine 1943 copper cent. That coin later sold at auction for over $150,000, and they split the money to pay off bills, help the grandson through college, and donate to charity. Stories like this prove these coins are more than just valuable, they're life. As a final tip, always be cautious of counterfeits. Unfortunately, as values rise, so does the number of fakes. If you think you've found something rare, send it to a professional grading service like PCGS or NGC. They'll authenticate and grade the coin, which not only protects you but also increases its value dramatically if it's legit. So now that you've seen over a dozen examples of pennies worth hundreds, thousands, and even hundreds of thousands of dollars, the big question is, what's hiding in your wallet, coin jar, or glove box? The world of rare pennies is full of mystery, history, and opportunity. Whether you're in it for the money, the history, or the thrill of the hunt, you're now equipped with everything you need to start checking your change with confidence. Who knows, maybe the next rare penny story that goes viral will be yours. So hit that like button if you've learned something valuable, subscribe for more rare coin content, and drop a comment below if you've ever found something incredible in your own spare change. Until next time, happy hunting, and remember, never underestimate the power of a single cent.